Third year English, lecture number 65, topic the bear, play number 1. I commence in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the most merciful and powerful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, 3rd class. How are you all students? I hope you all fine with the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Students, I say welcome to all of you in my class. And beta, let's start our today's topic. And you know that we were studying the bear, and we read in previous lecture that Simonov, beta, he came to repay his loan that he had given to Popova's husband who had died 7 months ago, and now Popova is ready to repay back, or you can say pay back his loan, but she is out of money right now, and she promised him to pay his debts after the day tomorrow, because her steward, he was not at home and he was out of town, and that's why she is not, you can say, in a state of mind that she would pay attention to money matters. So that's why she excused him that she would pay back his money, but Simonov, he insisted to get back his money on the very day. So beta, their conversation and their, you can say, the arguments were going on in the you can say in previous lectures, and today we shall read that how their you can say arguments, how much they go far. Okay, so let's start. And don't like now to have to talk to women. So beta, Mr. Simonov, he you can say gave us impression that he didn't like to walk, didn't like to talk to women, because he really disliked women. So I would rather sit on a barrel of gunpowder than talk to a woman. So beta, this is a very, you can say, big statement occurred by Mr. Simonov, that he said that he would prefer to sit on the gunpowder instead of talking to a woman. So I feel quite chilly, and it's all on account of that little bit of fluff. Fluff mean beta cotton, pieces of cotton. So beta, he's saying that I'm quite chilly, and it's all on account of that little bit of fluff. Mean to say, he's trying to say that he is getting, you can say, getting his money back, and that he had given to Popova's husband, and it was all due to that fluff, because Popova's husband, he used to take things like this from him. So I can't even see one of these poetic creatures from a distance. He called the women poetic creatures. So beta, we can see that he was not, you can say, giving any honor to women. He did not respect them. So he called them poetic creatures from a distance, without breaking out into a cold sweat out of sheer anger. So he says that whenever he saw a woman, he was, you can say, drenched with sweat due to his sheer anger. I mean to say, whenever he saw a woman, he got angry. Okay, so I can't look at them. So he said that he is not able to look at them, because whenever he see them, he feels himself annoyed. Okay, so enter Luca with water. So beta, Luca, the servant of Popova, he enters and he brought water for him. Luca, madam is ill and will see nobody. So beta, he informed him that his mistress, जो है उसकी मालकिन है, she would not be able to see him now because she is not well. Simonov, get out, exit Luca. Ill and will see nobody? No, it's all right. You don't see me. Don't see me mean you don't know me, that what type of a man I am. I'm going to stay and will sit here till you give me the money. So he decided that he would stay in the house of Popova, and he would get back his money. Okay, you can be ill for a week if you like, and I will stay here for a week. If you are ill for a year, I will stay for a year. I'm going to get my own, my dear. So beta, he's saying that I will get my credit from you, and if you wanted to remain ill for weeks, so I would stay here for a week, and I would not leave your house until I did not get back my money. So beta, it was the determination and it was the resolution of Simonov that he was making. Okay, so you don't get at me with your widow's weeds and your dimpled cheeks. So beta, he said that you cannot you can say persuade me, okay, cannot get at me, you cannot get you can say power on me, and or you can say you cannot control me with your widow's weeds. Widow's weeds mean the hair of the lady, okay, and your dimpled cheeks. So she means that she was a very beautiful woman, and she had dimpled cheeks and her hair were also very beautiful. Although beta he was admiring her beauty, but still he was at the angry point that he wanted to get back his money. Okay, I know those dimples, shouts through the window. Simon, take them out. We aren't going anywhere at once. I'm staying here. Okay, beta, Simon is the name of his servant who had come with him, and now he is calling him and he is ordering him that we are not going anywhere. Okay, so tell them in the stable to give the horses some oats. So beta, stable में कहते हैं कि you should tell the servants who are in the stable that you would give some oats to the horses because the horses are hungry. Okay, you fool, you have let the near horse leg get tied up in the reins again, teasing me. Never mind, I will give it to you. So beta, you can say scolding his servant that you have let the near horse leg get tied up in the rein. So you have tied the leg of the horse into the rein. So beta, इस तरह की कोई बात हो रही है, mean to say he is getting angry and he is you can say showing his anger to every person, whether he was Luca the servant of Popova or whether his own servant, because he was at you can say highest point of anger. Okay, never mind, I will give it to you. Never the reins again, teasingly. Never mind, I will give it to you. Never mind, goes away from the window. Oh, it's bad. The heat's frightful. Nobody pays up. I slept badly. So he's saying that it's bad. I mean to say the heat's frightful, dangerous, dreadful. So it means that it was summer season and there was quite hot behind the outside of the house. So he's saying that nobody pays up. I mean to say nobody is ready to pay him up. Nobody is ready to pay him back. So that's a beta, he is shouting at everybody. I slept badly, and on top of everything, as he is a bit of fluff in morning with a state of mind. So beta, he is abusing Popova again and again, and by saying that a state of mind that she is indulging and she is in a state of mind, and that's why she is not able to return him the money. So my head's aching means he's getting headache. Okay, so due to beta, he's shouting continuously, and we can say that he's so uncivilized person. Because he should not, if Popova, she refused him to give his money, so better he should come back again. Na? So it was the you can say part of custom, or you can say tradition, or civilized manner. But he was not civilized anymore. So that's why he is shouting, standing in the house of Popova. Okay. So shall I have some vodka? What? Yes, I think I will. Yells, shouts. Waiter, enter Luca, what is it? What's your problem? What do you want? Simonov, a glass of vodka. Exit Luca. Better vodka is the name of wine. So as you know that they used to drink wine a lot. So sits and inspects himself. I must say I look well. So he said that I should look well, means say I'm not having a good dress. So dust all over, boots dirty, unwashed, unkempt means untidy, straw on my waistcoat. The dear lady may well have taken me for a brigand. Brigand means a member of criminals, a member of the group of criminals. So beta, he is now inspecting himself that he was not dressing very well, and he was looking very dirty, very untidy, and his waistcoat, there were straws on his waistcoat. So he said that the dear lady may well have taken me. So maybe Popova, she was considering him a member of the criminals. Okay. So Jans is rather impolite to come into a drawing room in this state. Now beta, he is you can say considering that he was not doing good because he had misbehaved the lady, and what type of dressing he was wearing, that it was not a suitable dress to enter into somebody's drawing room. But it can't be helped. I am not here as a visitor but as a creditor. So he justified him by saying that I am not a visitor, I mean to say I did not come to see her, but I am a creditor. I have to get back my money. So there is no dress specially prescribed for creditors, and there is no dress for creditors, so he is okay. So he consoled himself that he is okay. Okay, beta. It's enough for today's lecture, and I hope that you are enjoying this play very well like me, and I'm also enjoying beta, because we can see that there is up and down in the, you can say, thinking of Simonov. Sometimes we feel that he's getting ashamed on his you can say behavior, or his outlook, that the dress he is wearing. And on the other hand, Popova, she is although she gives some you can say reasons that she is not able to pay him money, but I think she should, if she had some money, she should pay she should pay Simonov in order to make him satisfied. But let's see what happens in the next play, and inshallah we shall continue this play till next 2-3 days. And better read the text again and again, and learn the similar meanings as well. Better you have to attempt the question that are asked from the play, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay beta, till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and remember me in your prayers.